back with another video. I still haven't uploaded the OBI videos, but we got the truck on the gooseneck. JoJo driving. I don't even know if we're gonna make it there, but yeah, truck's on the gooseneck. It's screwed up, so we're just pulling it to the show. So I don't know when I'm gonna fix it, but we got a trailer. See, I told y'all, you hear that? But see, we're headed to Garcia Tire Shop's show, but it's Jordan's show. So we're gonna head there. We got like what, an hour and 45 minutes, and we got to meet somebody to sell some tires that are on there. But besides that, I'm sure I'll pick y'all up here in a little bit. We are 6 minutes from being there, so we finna pull up. Everything's been good. We broke a strap on the front, like the one that was holding the front of the truck down. It broke going down the interstate at whatever mile an hour we were running. And so we finna pull up. I'll pick y'all up when we get there.
We're supposed to go up front? Where
I don't know where we're supposed to enter right here.
What you want me to do? Hit the fucking thing?
Roll this hole off in the ditch, bro. It's windy as hell, but my cab spoiler blew off on the way here, so we peeled the tape off, but I ain't got a cab spoiler no more. So, I mean, we're running like 100 mile an hour down the interstate. And so yeah, cab spoiler's gone, but I had to try and find another one. Cash is here, bought the big truck. So we're finna walk around and look at all this stuff and see what we can, or see what we see that's interesting. So I'll pick y'all up here in a second. Really? That thing is tight. DirecTV.
Oh, Kodak got a white t-shirt on.
Oh, look at that. DirecTV, bro.
All TV signals.
All the damn, what the fuck? Go light, go light. Go light. Whip antenna, another one. What the hell? This is extra Bubba, extra Bubba. That cat is clean. I like that. The cat is very clean. Very clean. Oh.
The show is this way. What is he doing? Oh my god.
Oh, burnout. He gonna bust that ass. He gonna bust that ass. Fill with the banana truck. Oh, I got that stunt wall in there. Ooh! Dude. Hey, just put some tire shine on it.
Yeah, put the tire shine on it.
It changes yellow. Round that motherfucker.
Nah.
Why?
Hell nah.
Bro.
Hell nah.
Rabbit. Oh my god. Did you just do that?
Yeah.
Golly.
That wall's so heavy.
Oh my lord.
That's what happens if you try to fit the most you can.
Huh?
They 40.
What's that? 40s?
Yeah. Oh, the back fell.
Damn, where a carpet in the
It's work in progress. It's getting there.
Ooh.
It's an XLT swap to a Lariat.
There you go.
So everything going in there. Yeah, that
Flat
fell.
hanging dog.
It's because I installed rock lights last night.
Dude, look at this stunt wall. What the crap? Look how big this horn is. That's so crazy, bro. Look at that thing. Absolutely massive. I guess it folds up and down, but it's pretty cool. Jackson's over here. Look at Max. He just showed up. Love them wheels. I'd love to have them, but he won't come off of them, and I'm broke. Fucking bags. All the cameras on them.
Get the hell out of the way, bro. Get this hitter in spectator, bro.
Bitch out the fucking back.
Full pocket full, but I ain't me, baby. I ain't need trick. That's just how I'm living. Get on this beat and I get to walking. Fans say dope be snapping the tick. Before I got in the studio, I was on business. Hey, y'all with the 30, I slapped in 6. Might put in 100 today, cause that's just how I'm jumped in the water with sharks. I ain't fucking with though I was young, when been no dime. For throw my pride. No, I'm still gon' slide on the bitch. Took plenty of L's, I'm fine. Cause I'm big slime, the devil gon' handle the beat. Remember they don't call one mine, but we still sleed and slide and roll on niggas. Till the day I down slime, promoting the vibe. We really scored on niggas. Gang unit been on my ass. Why what you say you up on no post, little nigga? My dude said that I'm a monster, living too fast, but you gave birth to a killer. Watch they come make a move, then little bro gon' blink. Know these bitches ain't shit, but these niggas gon' fix. Knock 'em up with that chopper and take 'em a pitch. Whole think I'm a rapper, she don't me kill. Like you fuck with a nigga, when you fuck with a nigga, they fuck with them guys. Even though that we fucking, I don't like a picture, cause she not my bitch and I am not her guy. Whoa, I was get too high and they drop they low for a broke ass bitch and they trustin' these hoes. Pull up, we slide, hop out, shoot fast, and a grown man cry for he lose his soul. Seen a grown man cry before he lose his soul. I was just deep in that water when I was a baby. I should've did what I was told. Like fuck it, I already do it, won't change it for nothing. If you chasing your dream, then you gotta trust. If she fuck my team, then that hoe look. Hoe on her ring, I get a hoe nothing. What the fuck do you mean? Some love, some trust? Bitch, I'm a thug, and I'm CEO of my gang, little bitch, so I do it for us. Got a couple of snipers, they junkie, they good with the extra. Catch 'em, whack 'em, hop bad bitch be twerking in my song, sending me pictures with no thought. When I hit, they see this. Remember them down with no iPhone. I was really living down bad, stuck up in the dust. Have you ever woke up been mad as fuck? Cause your pop's been gone and you feel alone and you only young, but you act grown, but you gotta stay strong, cause they want you to put it on.
Damn, I look ratchet out here. But awards are at 4. It's like 3:55. Awards are in 5 minutes, and so there's a bunch of really, really good stuff here. So I don't know if we'll win anything, but like very good stuff out here. But especially like SEMA stuff. So I'm not exactly sure what's gonna happen or what I might win. But I'll pick y'all up when awards start happening, and we'll see what happens.
201 and 202. 201, 202. Oh, you got one. 274.
Did not win crowd's favorite. There was like, no offense, there was like 30 or 40 Mexicans in front of one of that big old GMC down there, the huge one. So no offense to anybody, I'm just saying Mexicans love that thing. So they were all standing around that versus standing around the beer truck. Here goes this guy, look at him trying to get the video. But yeah, I think we're gonna go to his show next. I think it's next weekend. We're probably gonna slide that.
Peace, beer truck man.
But yeah, so we're finna load my truck up. We're finna load my truck up on the trailer and get out of here. Good show. I won a top 20. I think I showed y'all that. So we're gonna load this thing up. Get out of here. I'll see y'all. I love them wheels. This thing's tough too. Clean as hell. He won't let me get them wheels. I want them wheels, but he will not let me get them, and I'm so mad about it. But it looks like Hayden's old Yukon. But would not let me get the Vegases. Hit the bags! Ooh! Got the truck loaded up. That boy is my My do boy right there. I ain't gotta do nothing. I just load. I pull my shell in the trailer. It's strapped down, everything. Good John Keith. He got the tow rig. Phil's just standing here. Tow rig, beer truck. Be out.
But these niggas right there ain't know what I'm on. Whoa, let's go. These niggas copy that look like a clown. These niggas right there ain't know what I'm on. Fuck all that time, put one in slash. I'm thumbing through racks. I beat up the trap and I get the shit back. Slash, thumbing through them racks. I walk up, hit them with hundreds of shots in their back. I'm thumbing through racks. I beat up the trap and I get the shit back. Slash, thumbing through them racks. I walk up, hit them with hundreds of shots in their back.